Today's project is putting up the LED lights. So I'll have to get 2 more, and I'll put the link in the description below. I got these from Amazon, so I'll put that link in there. But it was just a nice rainy day to come work on the trailer and just do some stuff and rearrange my storage again, because I'm running out of room of stuff. So gotta stop bringing a whole bunch of crap. Anyway, so what I'm doing today is I'm hanging up my LED light string. Now I have to buy another one of these because it's only going to go to this length of the trailer, which is to the back wall as far as that goes. So I'll need to get another one, or maybe 2 more, and make it go all the way around. So if you can see to the front, I'm going to have it go on the back side of the wall up there on the top, all the way on the top behind the shelf. Okay, and of course right now I'm running off the Jackery. Running off the Jackery is what I'm doing, and just to test, because I'm at the storage facility, so it's a little on the wet and rainy side. But today's alright, so this is just a quick add-on to what I'm doing today, which is of course installing the LED lights. As you can see, putting them up on the back side of the shelf, and this is what it looks like in the trailer with the doors closed. I have my cover on, so there's not a lot of light coming in, but let me show you how bright it gets when I turn on the interior lights. Look how bright that is. Okay, and that's 3 lights inside. I have one in the front right here. Okay, and then I have one on this side, and then I have one on that side. Now the two side lights are controlled by one switch. Okay, and that's this right here. Okay, and then the front switch, the other switch controls the front light. So let me turn that one more time. So what you're looking at inside is all 3 lights. And then one more time without the lights on at all, just the LED. Okay, and you see it's not too bad. I mean, it's 1 p.m. Pacific time right now, and it's stormy, but I've got the cover on, so I don't have a lot of ambient light coming in. But that's what it looks like with the LEDs on. So as you can see how bright it is. And then, you know, if I put the curtains on, just to give you an idea how much, you see, with the light on, it really covers out the light. Take that off, really not much of a difference, but that's what we're doing today. Alright, so as I keep putting these on, I keep coming up with another quick short video to add to the one I'm already doing. So what I'm using to mount these, of course, is double stick tape, which is 3M double stick tape. Fred Meyer's, Walmart, pretty much any automotive store have double-sided stick tape. This is 3M. So what as you can see, it's now stuck in the corners all the way up around, coming to the end. So unfortunately I forgot my tripod. That's why I can't record this while I'm doing it. So I just come up with a quick thought, and I'll do another insert video as I'm doing this. Okay, here we go, continuing on. Alright, so here's the final setup for the moment. All the way around. As you can see, it's nice and taped up in the corner. All the way around, past the light, past the window, all the way to the end. Now, as you can see, I've got more I need to add on, so I have to order a couple more. Probably, maybe, I think one more ought to do. I really haven't figured out what I want to do with this. I was thinking I might Velcro it to the here instead, because then it can just sit like this all the time. Instead of, it does fit perfectly right in that spot, but there's no way for me to keep it from falling out, you see. So it's a nice spot, but I need to figure out something a little better for this, you know. But that's for another day. But that's what the LED looks like. Turn off all lights, and you can see how dark it is in here. But it's still fairly bright with all the LED light on. So it does a pretty good job. Bunch of crap. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.